Is it time to buy or sell Microsoft stock? In this video, we will explore Microsoft in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 2nd of April, 2025, and now we aim to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by utilizing our recently launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Tap into the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 1st of April, 2025, our system has classified Microsoft as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of negative 0.56. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations, but it currently reflects a loss of 0.01% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. This results in an average loss of 0.01% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. The stock is currently positioned within a declining trend in the short term, indicating that further decreases within this trend are likely. The present 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 12.28% over the next 3 months, with expected returns ranging from a decline of 14.27% to a decrease of 7.11%. Shifting to the longer term, our analysis over 12 months forecasts a projected change of around negative 4.07%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between a decrease of 6.73% and an increase of 13.77% over the coming year. In current terms, this translates to a future price anticipated to be between $356.41 and $434.77. Our latest daily update from Microsoft includes the headline, Red Day on Wednesday for Microsoft stock after losing 0.0131%. The Microsoft stock price fell by 0.0131% on the last day, Wednesday, the 2nd of April, 2025, dropping from $382.19 to $382.14. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 2.25%, ranging from a low of $376.62 to a high of $385.08. The price has experienced ups and downs during this period, resulting in a loss of 1.46% over the last 2 weeks. Trading volume decreased on the last day, in line with the stock's decline, which is a positive indicator as volume typically follows the stock. On the last day, the trading volume fell by 4 million shares, with a total of 16 million shares exchanged for approximately $5.93 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $468.35, while the lowest price was $367.24. Currently, the price is 18.41%, or $86.21, below the 52-week high of $468.35, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Today, Microsoft finds itself at the forefront as it navigates the competitive landscape around TikTok's ownership. Major players such as Amazon and AppLovin have joined Oracle in their pursuit of this acquisition. Should Microsoft successfully acquire TikTok, it could have immediate implications for its stock price, potentially leading to increased user engagement and advertising revenue. Analysts emphasize Microsoft's strong positioning to benefit from OpenAI's rapid growth, further enhancing its status as a key provider of cloud services. This development reinforces Microsoft's long-term growth trajectory as artificial intelligence capabilities become increasingly essential for businesses around the globe. Additionally, Groupera's new feature, powered by Microsoft Azure, showcases the ongoing integration of Microsoft's cloud solutions within the fintech sector, thereby solidifying its market presence. The announcement regarding Delinea's partnership reflects Microsoft's commitment to evolving its security infrastructure, which is vital given the rising concerns surrounding digital security. However, the recent sale of Microsoft shares by a notable investor may indicate some market caution, particularly amidst economic volatility that has recently affected the tech-heavy Nasdaq. Overall, while the short-term outlook may present mixed signals, These developments underscore Microsoft's strong positioning in artificial intelligence and cloud technologies, likely fostering long-term investor confidence and sustained stock performance. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 20th of March, 2025, it was reported that Tigris Financial assigned Microsoft a buy grade along with a hold action. On the same day, the 20th of March, 2025, Wedbush rated Microsoft with an outperform grade and a hold action. On Wednesday, the 19th of March, 2025, Scotiabank gave Microsoft an outperform grade along with an initiate action. On Tuesday, the 14th of January, 2025, Morgan Stanley rated Microsoft with a positive grade and a hold action. On the same day, the 14th of January, 2025, Wells Fargo assigned Microsoft an outperform grade along with a hold action. Analysts have given Microsoft stock a general buy rating. They rate the price-to-earnings ratio as sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. For return on investment, the analysts assign the stock an strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified from Microsoft. Today, there are mixed signals regarding the stock. The Microsoft stock is generating sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, resulting in a more negative outlook. Additionally, there is a general sell signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, where the long-term average is higher than the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance is expected at the levels of $384.89 and $393.51. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. The volume declined alongside the price in the last trading session, which reduces the overall risk as volume typically follows price movements. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, the 31st of March, 2025, and the stock has since risen 1.8%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Furthermore, a buy signal is indicated from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, known as MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 3 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 3 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 45 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal 43 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 45 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages shows a buy signal 40 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Microsoft. Microsoft finds support from accumulated volume at $380.45. This level may offer a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is tested. Generally, the stock tends to exhibit controlled movements, and due to its good liquidity, the risk associated with this stock is considered very low. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $8.46 between its high and low, which represents a movement of 2.25%. In the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 2.39%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Microsoft, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This is considered a relatively normal PE ratio, typically seen in companies with established histories or consistent revenues. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 24th of April, 2025. Analyst consensus estimates are set at $3.20. It is important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Microsoft. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Microsoft is at $391.26. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Microsoft encounters its first support level at $380.45. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Microsoft from various analyst sources is to buy. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 19th of March, 2025, Coleman Amy conducted an insider purchase of 0 shares of common stock. On the 13th of March, 2025, Walmsley Emma N. made an insider purchase of 1,245 shares of restricted stock units. On the 13th of March, 2025, Rodriguez Carlos A. made an insider purchase of 859 shares of restricted stock units. On the 13th of March, 2025, Pritzker Penny S. made an insider purchase of 28,629 shares of restricted stock units. On the 13th of March, 2025, Peterson Sandra E. made an insider purchase of 54,057 shares of restricted stock units. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 30.372. Overall, insiders acquired 162,424 shares, while selling 300,294 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $361.91, reflecting a decrease of 5.29%. This stock exhibits very low daily fluctuations, resulting in minimal risk. A buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 2 days ago. Is Microsoft stock a good buy? Microsoft presents several positive indicators. However, we do not find these compelling enough to recommend it as a buy at this time. Currently, it is better positioned as a hold or accumulate candidate while we await further developments. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 3rd of April, we anticipate that Microsoft will open lower by 86 cents, starting at $381.28. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.